Alright, now wise people go talk, say person wey wan go far no go follow fatai wey no sabi where him dey go. To go fast, you gats go alone, but to go far, you gats join body with people wey be say dem sabi where dem dey go. Alright, now with that one, me I go dey use to dey welcome una to the weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. Of course, it's another weekend edition, and today na the 13th day of July 2024. As una don sabi, na for here we go dey give you the highlights and the summary of Toris and shele wey don happen from Monday go reach Friday, even till this very morning. Informate Plenti, informate booku. My name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo Baba Future. If you don set, me sef I don set. Hear me we do this one. The very first story wey I dey see for here for the weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, na im dey talk say logistics flooding cause fuel queues for FCT and some other parts of the country. May we hear the full tori. Long queues for petrol don return for some filling stations across Nigeria. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited (NNPC) say the reason for the long queues na bad weather and logistics. For one statement wey NNPC issue, dem explain say dem no fit load petrol during heavy rain and lightning sake of say their product fit catch fire, and in compliance with the Nigerian Meteorological Agency (NIMET) regulation. NNPC con assure Nigerians say dem don dey work with relevant stakeholders to take solve the logistic challenge and restore smooth supply of petrol give affected areas. Liberian president don cut him salary by 40%. Liberian President Joseph Boakai don announce say him go reduce him salary by 40%. Im office say e dey owe to set example for responsible governance and to take demonstrate solidarity with Liberians. Oga Boakai bin review for February say im annual salary na $13,400, but the court go bring am down to $8,000. Quick one, another informate wey dey for here na im talk say how Emefiele bin award CBN contracts to im companies. Witness talk. The trial of the immediate past governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, dey continue on Thursday with one banker, Mrs. Ifeoma Ogbonnaya, wey dey yarn for court say the CBN ex-oga bin abuse in office by awarding CBN contracts to im personal firms. Emefiele dey stand trial alongside one Henry Omoile before Justice Rahman Oshodi for the Lagos State Special Offences Court wey tanda for Ikeja. On top minimum wage, Tinubu Labour talk don adjourn till next week. Thursday talk between President Bola Tinubu and the organized labour on top minimum wage don dey adjourn until next week to take allow for wider consultation with all stakeholders. The leadership of the organized labour, wey the Presido of the Nigerian Labour Congress Joe Ajaero and Trade Union Congress Festus Osifo bin lead, arrive for the State House at about 2 p.m. and dey ushered into Tinubu office. The tripartite committee on the new national minimum wage don recently submit two figures to the president as the organized private sector and the government team bin offer to pay 62,000 naira, while the organized labour bin demand for 250,000 naira. Another one wey dey for here na im talk say 33 billion naira fraud matter, ex-power minister collapse before trial, remanded for prison. One former minister of power, Saleh Maman, bin collapse on Thursday for the Federal High Court wey tanda for Abuja, where him dey arraigned for alleged 33 billion naira fraud. Maman, wey serve as ex-power minister under ex-presido Muhammadu Buhari, na him dem lead enter into the dock with drenched clothes, wey come prompt im lawyer to explain to Justice James Omotosho say him collapse for the court premises and come dey revived by the medical personnel just before the case enter. UK varsity don review fees for Nigerian students wey dey face expulsion. The federal government don announce say Teesside University for United Kingdom don implement a more compassionate payment method for Nigerians wey dey school for the institution. The Chairmo Nigerian for Diaspora Commission Abike Dabiri-Erewa na im tok dis one for Thursday for one press conference ahead of the National Diaspora Day celebration 2024 for July 25 for Abuja. Another tori wey dey for here na im carry us enter inside Ibadan for Oyo State. Makinde present staff of office to Olubadan. Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde for Friday don present staff of office and the instrument of office to the new Olubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Owolabi Olakoleyin, as the 43rd Olubadan. The seat na im become vacant after the demise of the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Lekan Balogun, wey join im forefathers at the age of 81 after im rule for 2 years. Another informate wey dey for here na im tok say Tinubu don name National Theatre after Wole Soyinka. Naija Presido Bola Tinubu don name the National Arts Theatre for Igom, Lagos after Nobel laureate Professor Wole Soyinka. Tinubu announced this one for one tribute wey im write to take celebrate Soyinka in commemoration of im 90th birthday. Alright, for inside entertainment, appeal court uphold Daddy Freeze 5 million naira adultery fine. The Court of Appeal for Port Harcourt, Rivers State don uphold the fine wey dey imposed on popular Nigerian on-air personality Ifedayo Olarinde, wey pipo sabi as Daddy Freeze, for committing adultery. One high court wey dey sit for Port Harcourt, Rivers State for February 18, 2021 don order Daddy Freeze to pay 5 million naira for adultery matter wey im commit with one Benedicta Elechi. Alright, for inside the exciting world of sport, PSG don table €200 million for Osimhen. Varacachilia, French giant PSG don launch a shock €200 million bid for Nigerian striker Victor Osimhen and im fellow Napoli star Vicha Varacachilia. Osimhen don dey available for the summer transfer market with release clause of €130 million, although Napoli get will to lower their asking price to €100 million, as e no longer dey secret say Napoli don prepare to sell the Nigerian international. Alright, now with that sport story, me I go dey carry my bag to return next week weekend on top TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, the weekend edition. My name never change, my name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo Baba Future. Until next time, una bye bye yo.